Hello and welcome back to Pitcher Contraptions. Today I'm going to show you how to build this $100 budget ice rink, and it just took us an hour to assemble. Let's get into the build. Building this homemade ice rink is not at all complicated for your average DIY guy or girl. As a matter of fact, it only took 4 pieces of material to build this entire rink and only a half hour. As you can see, I've got 5 2x4s down each side and 2 2x4s across the middle. Now the key to this little plan is what's known as bracing brackets shown here on this joint. And they come in both straight and 90 degrees, and they're about 98 cents a piece. So they're super cheap, and I highly recommend them because in cold weather like this, you don't want to be cutting any wood trying to put it together. So this way I don't have to cut a single thing while I'm putting together the entire frame of the ice rink. One of the keys though that I determined was that because the length of the sides of my rink were the same as the tarp, I had to actually put one of the ends a little bit in from the end of the 2x4s on that side. The reason for this is because I take the tarp and I then roll it under the 2x4. Thus the tarp is actually under the 2x4 and under the water a little bit, so that when the weight of the water comes down, it's on 2 layers of tarp and it kind of holds in the side walls against the force of that water pushing outwards. It also keeps the wind from blowing away the tarp. I then was able to start filling the ice rink with water. It took about 6 hours to fill the rink with water, with me checking in about once an hour to make sure that the sides hadn't blown in or that it wasn't just flying away or leaking from some random spot. Once the rink was full, it then took a total of 10 hours for it to actually ice over, and another about 10 hours before I was able to walk on it for the first time. Walking on it, I could hear it was creaking a little bit, so I waited another 24 before putting on my skates and giving it that first try of skating. Ouch, that hurts even watching the replay. But if you guys want to help ease the pain, please be sure to subscribe to my channel and let me know that that fall was worth it. Now, in other notes, once I had my blade guards actually off the skates, I was able to go skate around and had a blast on this rink. Now, I've got some ideas to expand the rink as well by adding possibly a trail to it, so if you guys want to see that, be sure to leave me a comment section below and let me know you want to see me add more to this rink. And I'll see all of you in the next episode. Have a fantastic day. Patriot Contraptions, signing out.